Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decors for home available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. At number 5 we have Portmanor Halloween Decor. This is Halloween decoration stickers non-toxic PVC which is removable without residue remaining on the surface. Its bright tone and the strong color will give your room a Halloween festival look. Ranking at number 4 we have Lulu Home Halloween Tabletop Decor. This Lulu Home Halloween decoration is designed as a villa adorned with ghost tree ghost skull man. Lulu Home wooden ornament is made of premium natural wooden boards. This painted comes with quality paint with exquisite craftsmanship. The double board design increases the overall thickness. At number 3 we have Gift Boutique Halloween Decor. These adorable ghost figurines are the perfect mini figures to spruce up your decor. The perfect size for a shelf or the mantle. These adorable planters can be used in so many different ways. At number 2 we have Fun Express Halloween Decor. You can just imagine the enchanting effect this adorable goblin-filled Halloween decor will have on your costume party guests. This pack comes with pumpkin pep and jack-o'-lantern jolliness. It's a bewitching way to add October charm to your buffet table or mantelpiece. At number 1 we have Leesky Halloween Decor. This unique design is perfect for Halloweeny party decorations, Halloween party supplies, etc. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decors for home for your need.